Hi there once again. Blaine McDonald here, and we're in the middle of a little mini-series on Canadian credit. In previous videos, we talked about what exactly credit is and what affects our credit. But in this video, I want to focus more on how you actually get your credit score. When it comes to credit, information is power. If you like the video, please like it, forward it to a friend that you feel may get some use out of it, and please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for future notification of videos available. Credit scores are designed to predict the risk involved with you and the likelihood that you're a good risk to extend credit to. In this video, we're going to look at how you actually get your credit. Where do I stand right now? And as I mentioned, information is power. If you know your credit score and you know what's good and bad about it, you're able to repair it and deal with it. Now, in a previous video, I also described how there's two credit reporting agencies in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion. Links for both of those are below in this video. These two bureaus each have their own credit score, and you might be surprised to learn they're often not the exact same. Each one uses a different algorithm, different weight and different things to reflect a person's credit. And so you need to get both. Remember, your credit report is a record of the borrower's financial credit history and all your active loans, your credit payments, your credit limit, and how much is available and paid off of each of those loans. Your credit activity, which is found on your credit report, impacts your credit score. So a credit score is a number between 300 and 900 reflecting a person's credit score. How do I get my credit score? Well, the first off, the most direct, is directly from one of the two or both of the credit reporting agencies. Once a year, you can request a free copy of your credit score report by mail. And if you want instant results online, there is a premium account in each of them for a charge. Your bank. Many financial institutions now offer this service. They offer a soft hit. Now let me explain what that is. A hard hit records when an inquiry happens, when you've applied for credit, and this may decrease temporarily your credit score. Anytime an individual's credit file is accessed for any reason, that request information is logged on the file as an inquiry. And the inquiries require the consent of the individual, and some, as I mentioned, will affect the credit score calculation. So the only inquiries which may impact the score are actual hard hits, such as applying for a new loan or a credit card. These inquiries, as I mentioned, in industry jargon is known as a hard pull or a hard hit on your credit card, on your credit file. But many financial institutions offer a hit for free, meaning they won't show it as an inquiry. Often, different financial institutions will offer it for a certain period of time. Once a month, say, or once a quarter, you're allowed to do it. Each will usually pull a full inquiry if you apply for a credit through your financial institution, but many offer a free soft hit. The other way to access your credit is through software, and this today is probably the most effective way. There are many programs in Canada where this is available. Each one is most often free, but they have a premium paid subscription, which gives you even more access to things. I personally use Borrowell and Credit Karma. And the reason I use the two is the two reporting agency. Borrowell deals with Equifax, and TransUnion is pulled by Credit Karma. But there are many similar apps. Look for ones that is free to use, that if you do get the premium service, you know that the service you're getting is something that you need, and make sure it's one that does not affect your credit score, showing as hard hits or inquiries. And the last way you can access your credit is through organizations. There are many not-for-profit organizations that educate Canadians about credit and the effective use of it. But there is a warning here. On the federal site of the Financial Consumer Agency of Canada right now, there's a warning warning consumers to be very cautious when looking for a company to help them pay off or repair credits. The link below to the Financial Consumer Agency's warning is below in this video. Now, as an advisor, I often help people day by day to improve their credit scores. So if you'd like, get your credit scores prior to meeting with your financial advisor, and then sit down with him or her and go through your credit report to allow them to actually give you a hand in explaining it and showing you how you can increase and move towards getting a better score. Remember, when it comes to credit, information is power. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was effective for you. If so, please like it. And please subscribe to the channel, as well as hit that bell button notifying you of future videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.